Hello,
Hi there.
how are you today?
I am good, thank you.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Let's go to the cafe.
That is a great idea.
Look, here's the cafe.
It looks very nice.
Let's find a table.
Can we sit by the window?
Yes, I like the sun.
This table is perfect.
Where's the menu?
It is on the table.
Let me see.
What do you want to drink?
I want a coffee.
Do you want black coffee?
No, I want milk in it.
I like lattes.
Lattes are very good.
Do they have tea?
Yes, they have green tea.
I prefer black tea.
With lemon or milk.
With lemon, please.
Are you hungry too?
Yes, a little bit.
Look at the food.
They have sandwiches.
I like ham and cheese.
I want a croissant.
Is it a chocolate croissant?
No, just a plain one.
I want a muffin.
What flavor?
Blueberry is my favorite.
Let's call the waiter.
Excuse me, sir.
He's coming now.
Hello, can we order?
We need 2 drinks
One coffee with milk.
and 1 black tea.
Do you want sugar?
No sugar for me.
I want 1 spoon of sugar.
Is the coffee hot?
Yes, it is very hot.
I like iced coffee in summer.
Me too, but today is cold.
That is true.
What about the food?
Can I have a croissant?
And 1 blueberry muffin.
Thank you very much.
The waiter is nice.
The service is fast.
Look at the cakes.
That chocolate cake looks big.
It looks delicious.
Maybe next time.
Yes, we are eating a lot.
The cafe is busy today.
Many people like this place.
The music is soft.
It is very relaxing.
I like the smell here.
It smells like fresh bread.
And fresh coffee beans.
Here are our drinks.
Thank you.
My coffee is very dark.
My tea is very hot.
Be careful.
I will wait a minute.
Here's the milk.
Put it in your coffee.
Now it is perfect.
How is the muffin?
It is very sweet.
Is it fresh?
Yes, it is warm.
My croissant is crunchy.
I love crunchy bread.
Do you come here often?
Once a week.
I want to come back.
We can come next Friday.
That sounds good.
Do you have a spoon?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Do you need a napkin?
Yes, please.
There are napkins on the counter.
I will go get some.
Get some for me too.
Okay, I'm back.
Thank you.
This is a nice break.
I agree with you.
Is your tea good now?
Yes, it is just right.
Is it too strong?
No, it is perfect.
I like the cup.
It is a big mug.
I like big mugs.
They hold more coffee.
Exactly.
Are you finished?
Almost.
Take your time.
The muffin was big.
I am full now.
Me too.
Should we pay?
Yes, let's pay.
Where is the bill?
I will ask for it.
Waiter, the check, please.
How much is it?
It is $15.
That is not expensive.
No, it is cheap.
Do you have cash?
No, I have a card.
They accept credit cards?
That is good.
I will pay today.
Are you sure?
Yes, it is my treat.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You can pay next time.
Okay, deal.
Let's leave a tip.
How much tip?
$2 is fine.
Okay, here it is.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
It is sunny outside.
Let's walk to the park.
Good idea.
Wait, I forgot my bag.
Is it under the chair?
Yes, here it is.
Silly you.
I am very forgetful.
Let's go now.
Goodbye, cafe.
See you later.
Did you like the tea?
Yes, very much.
The coffee was excellent.
I want a latte next time.
And I want chocolate cake.
We are always hungry.
Food is life.
That is very true.
Is the cafe open tomorrow?
Yes, it opens at 8.
That is early.
For breakfast.
They have eggs too.
I love eggs and toast.
And orange juice.
Fresh juice is the best.
We can try it.
Maybe on Sunday?
Sunday is perfect.
I will call you.
Great. See you then.
See you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Don't forget your coat.
Oh, thank you.
It is on the chair.
Now I am ready.
Let's walk fast.
Why?
It is getting cold.
You are right.
The park is near.
Just 2 blocks.
I like this neighborhood,
It has many cafes.
but this one is best.
I agree.
The staff is friendly.
The bathroom is clean.
That is important.
Yes, it is.
Look at that sign.
Fresh donuts.
No more food.
I know, I'm joking.
You are funny.
We are here.
The park is beautiful.
The flowers are red.
And the grass is green.
Let's sit down.
On this bench,
Yes, here.
I feel happy.
Me too.
Coffee makes me happy.
And good friends.
Yes, good friends.
Talk to you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Wait,
What?
do you have my phone?
No, I don't.
Check your pocket.
Not here.
Oh, it is in my pocket.
You are very funny.
My mistake.
No problem.
Now, really, goodbye.
Goodbye for real.
See you Sunday.
See you Sunday.
Don't be late.
I will be on time.
8 o'clock?
No, 9 o'clock.
Okay, 9 is better.
Perfect.
Have a good night.
You too. Sleep well.
Thanks, you too.
Bye.
Bye.